I'm sorry. It's just so sad. You've got to pull yourself together. Monica can't see you like this. Then she'll know something's wrong.
I know.
Hey, wait a minute. This one's not dirty.
Well, it is when you put it together with that one.
Oh. Well, if you don't clear this off, you won't be getting one of those from me.
Well, I mean, we didn't really get to talk.
But do you want to get back together?
I don't know. It was incredible. I mean, it just felt so right.
It's not about her, okay? But seeing you two together just reminds me of what you did. And I don't want to live with someone who doesn't know what it is to be a friend. So, I'll see.
Hey, look, I know what it is to be.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word together. It means into or in one gathering, company, mass, place, or body, to call the people together. Also means into or in union, proximity, contact, or collision, as two or more things, to sew things together. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce together, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to geth. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how together is used in real life.
It was right after we were living together, and it calls her back, and then they get back together.
And then together, and then apart.
And I mean, we're having this baby together, you know, and we live together.
You and me spending some quality time together.
Here, because it's us together forever, and that's what I want. Sorry, it's just one of our last nights together before she leaves for camp. To be a counselor.
I can't believe I even thought of getting back together with you. We are so over.
You know, I had a dream that Ross and Rachel were still together. They never broke up. So great. Oh, we took a nap together too.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.